Hey guys, in this video, going to do a size comparison between the iPhone 13 Pro and the iPhone 13 Pro Max, just so you can get an idea what is the difference in size between the two and see how much bigger is the Pro Max. Okay, so let's place this iPhone 13 Pro on top of the 13 Pro Max, and you can see here it is quite a little bit bigger. Maybe the height is around 1 centimeter longer, and the width is also wider, maybe around over half a centimeter. So on a iPhone 13 Pro, the width is 71.5 millimeter or 2.82 inches, and on the iPhone 13 Pro Max, the width is 3.07 inches wide or 78.1 millimeter, and the height on the Pro iPhone 13 Pro is 146.7, which is around 5.78 inches, and on the iPhone 13 Pro it is 168.8 millimeter high and 6.3 inches. And the depth with this one here, now they are very similar. It is 7.65 on the Pro, and the 13 Pro Max, they are exactly the same depth. So again, let's look at the top here. You can see they are very similar at the back here. This is what it looks like between the Pro Max and the Pro. So if I hold my hand like this, so I zoom out a little bit. So this is what it looks like when I hold my hand. You can see it is quite a lot bigger. They are both identical in terms of hardware. It is exactly the same. You got the same buttons on the side here. So you got the silent key, volume up, volume down, a SIM tray. At the bottom here, you have charging port, loudspeaker, and microphone. On the side here, you got the power button or the side button, and for the back, you got the camera. So you got three camera system or triple camera system, and a sensor and a flashlight. The cameras look exactly the same. They are not different. The only difference, I suppose, is only the size of the screen on a Pro Max. So if you like a larger screen, for example, it helps you to easier to see the front or the text size, or maybe if you're watching movies, you like a larger size. Now even the camera notch at the top here, you can see they are both exactly the same. They're exactly the same size. The only difference is just the screen dimension of the screen right here. And that's it. So that is a physical size comparison between the iPhone 13 Pro Max and the iPhone 13 Pro. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.